Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Lord Ganesha. These are the tools that I'm going to use for this drawing. Damp super soft pencil, medium yellow, light yellow, dark yellow, violet, pink, dark orange, light orange, sky blue, red, skin color, dark brown, light brown, grey, apple green, green, black. Sakura white gel pen, Artline yoodle microtip pens, brown, red, green. Mechanical pencil, mecahno eraser, non-dust eraser, kneaded eraser. For the outline, I am going to use grid method. I explained all the details about grid method in how to get perfect outline tutorial. That video link is given in the description, you can use that. After drawing the grid line, I am using a kneaded eraser to lighten the grid line. Just roll the eraser like this to get even lightening. Okay, now let's start drawing. This is A4 size pastel paper. For outline, I am using mechanical pencil. Ganesha drawing, there are a lot of minute details. So you have to take time to complete this whole picture. This is skin color. For the skin portion, I am using a skin color. For darker shades in the skin, I am using brown color except the face skin. In the face skin, for darker shade, I am using orange. After completing head, I use brown color pen for all the remaining outlines. For the Om symbol, I am using red microtip pen. For golden jewels, first I am using yellow, then red color for shining golden look. For cloth around the shoulder, I am using green, yellow and brown. For golden jewels, first I am using yellow, then red color for shining golden look. Cloth around the legs, I am using light yellow, light brown and dark brown. For some highlight, I am using white gel pen. For the border, I am using red color. I am using white gel pen for some highlights. And this is the coloring of the Lord Ganesha. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.